Alright, well boys, today I'm going to show you how to make a rising chest. Now this is a Minecraft tutorial, I'm not talking about real ones. So anyway, first of all, you need a chest. First of all, you need a chest. First of all, you need one chest, one piston, well, 2 chests if you want to, or 2 pistons if you want to. So, and then you need some redstone. So you get the redstone. Also, you also need a redstone repeater. Also any block of choice. Mine's is some oak. I'm just going to choose oak. You can use cobble. You can use any block. Well, kinda. Well, you can use any. And now, wait. Let me see if there's anything else. Nope. So now you get the. Wait. You need an activation tool. So like a button, or a lever, or a pressure plate. I'm gonna grab all 3. Alright. So now you got all the needed materials. First of all, you need to build something high. And I'm not talking about what happens when you do drugs. I'm talking about you need it taller than you. Oh, hater horsey. Anyway. So you place. So you have to. By the way, you can place this in your house or whatever first. I'm just going to use a wall as an example. And then, wait, it has to be thick. 2 blocks thick. This is just an example. You can put this in your house. Well, you can put it in your house, in your Minecraft house, not in actually your actual house. You'll have to hire a building company, which will cost way more than buying a $20 game. Alright, so then you need to destroy some of these blocks. You can make it 1 block wide or 2 blocks wide. I'm gonna make it. Oh yeah, you have to make it a sticky piston. Forgot. Stick. So it has to be a sticky piston. It has to face upwards. If it don't, and you have to place the chest. And also, so you have to. So now you have this. You don't have to build the whole entire tutorial thing. It's just an example. So now you build it. You might need a redstone repeater. And it'll also, so you can put a pressure plate, a button, or a lever. I'm gonna be used. So see here, so see right there. So this is too tall. So now you have to place your chest. I'm using a double chest, and now you cover up all the redstone, cover up your tracks. You don't want people knowing your secret. And actually, it's like a Nintendo Switch. You don't want to see the inside. You want to see. Well, they do build some things that you can let you see the inside, or like see through. Do they make Nintendo Switches out of plastic, see-through plastic, so you can see the insides? Probably someone will just make it out of plastic and make it a lot expensive. It'll probably be called invisible controller or invisible Nintendo Switch. So anyway, enough talk about stuff. Let me check my time. 6 minutes, just that. Time goes by when you're showing new people. By the way, this is the new version. I don't know what it is recently, but I do know it's new. I forgot what type of update it was, but it's a new update. So anyway, I'm gonna pause it. Alright, so now that you filled it in, it should now work. Also, the redstone repeater is just in case it's a bit longer. You don't actually need it. See? Oh no, I made this. Learn from your mistakes, children. Mistakes were made. Okay. My God. Okay, you have to make it shorter. Like I have to make this video shorter. So you have to make it a 2x2. You actually don't. Okay, restart. Not really. Tearing up. This is like. Okay. Now you got a friend. Okay, so this turned into a total train wreck. So there, boom. Now you placed your chest. Boom. Boom, rising chest. You can do a singular. Alright, so now you see, you need one act. So you need one activation block, some redstone, one or two chests, I keep on stuttering. 1 or 2 sticky pistons. Make sure it's sticky, or else it won't work. See, it works. I suggest it doesn't work with a double chest. So yeah, that's how you do it. And also you need some whatever amount of this is not a part of this. This is just something I built in something else I built in this world. So yeah. So yeah. So that's how you do it. Also, so alright, goodbye. Also make sure to clear your inventory because you'll need a lot of bricks. So anyway, that's gonna do it for this. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.